How you doing? I'm Nicholas Fowler, and I'm with Christina and we're here to present you our physics project. Now, people ask me why I do things I do, and I come and answer their question like, I don't know. Back home, for fun, we mud, we tractor pulls, we pull each other with our trucks. Well, today, I'm here to show you some clips of what we do. So buckle up and prepare. Yeah. That right there, my friend, is called mudding. People think it's stupid, but it's actually fun. The objective is to get stuck and get the truck dirty so you can show everybody else in town.
Now the physics part of it. As you can see, the smaller truck got stuck in the mud because there was not enough friction between the tires and the ground to get it out. When you're mudding and you don't have mud grips, going through the mud is basically like walking on ice in just regular shoes. You're not going to get very far. The other truck, when it tried to pull it out, also didn't have mud grips. Even though it was on a slightly more solid ground, it was not able to pull it out because, once again, there was not enough friction between the wheels and the ground. The truck that was trying to pull it out was a 6-liter F250. If it had been, say, an F350 or maybe even a tractor, it would have had a higher chance of pulling the smaller truck out of the mud because it would have had more power and more force behind it, helping it out. Another issue is the rope that was tying them together had too much tension pulling at it to stay together and help pull it out.
That right there, my friend, is some fun action. You saw two trucks trying to pull each other and one won and one didn't. So now we finna go to the physics.
Now you would think that because the yellow 18-wheeler has a higher mass, it would be able to drag the red truck across the yard. And yes, it should be able to because since it has a higher mass, it also has a higher normal force, which means it's going to have friction working in its favor. But according to the equation, force equals mass times acceleration, it is possible for the red truck to be able to drag the yellow 18-wheeler because it probably, or most likely, has a higher acceleration. Now with this, it means it has a higher force, and so with the tension between the rope, it means the force is going to be working in favor of the red truck, which allows it to pull the yellow 18-wheeler.